Hey entrepreneurs, welcome to Digital Gigger.
Are you enticed by the thought of earning income without having to be told what to do by anyone else but yourself? Do you enjoy creating revenue while working from home? On this channel, we like to explore entrepreneurial ideas and find ways for people to be able to quit their 9-to-5 and work for themselves. There are many legitimate ways to make money working out of your house, and it all depends on what you're interested in and what you're able to do. There are a number of real at-home jobs out there that can be perfect for stay-at-home parents looking to make financial contributions to their households. Many of these jobs are perfect for anyone who enjoys working from home, as they provide flexibility and control over their own hours. So which type of jobs can you expect to find? Well, here are some jobs that you can work from home and that have a wide appeal. Do you enjoy working with children? Do you have a lot of patience? If this is the case, starting your home daycare business can be a fantastic idea. As long as you meet local authorities' regulations for having a home daycare business, which means you might have to know some first aid and a few other legalities that are in place for people running a daycare out of their home, then you can start this as a business that is pretty lucrative. It doesn't matter where you live in the world. Most places are limited in spaces for daycare. And if you have a clean environment where you can take care of kids during the day, then you have a business that's viable and that a lot of people are looking for. So as long as you meet those requirements and you follow the local guidelines, this is a great working from home business. If you love writing, then freelance writing may be the perfect career for you. With freelance writing, you can set your own deadlines and work from anywhere in the world. Perfect for the nomadic writer in all of us. As a freelance writer, you'll be expected to write content for a variety of different platforms. So good grammar and research are essential skills. However, with a little bit of practice, these skills can become second nature. Now, if you're looking for a platform where you can advertise your skills, your freelance skills, Fiverr might be the perfect platform for you, and there is a link in the description box below. There are a lot of people on Fiverr looking for various writers for different platforms, content creation, and so forth. So you might want to take a look at Fiverr as a platform to offer your services. If you're good at spotting bargains at thrift stores and yard sales, this may be a gig for you. Simply buy popular items at a steep discount and then sell them on eBay or Amazon. There are a few things to keep in mind if you want to be successful as an eBay or Amazon reseller. First, you want to make sure that you're buying the items at the lowest price possible in the best condition possible, and that you're properly pricing them on these platforms to be competitive, and that you can still make a margin when you factor in that you have to pay fees and shipping on these items. You may already have things that you have in your home that you want to sell, and this is instant inventory that you can add to eBay and start making money right away with a reselling business. Virtual assistants are in high demand, and there's a lot of competition for these jobs. However, if you're willing to put in the work and learn a few tricks, you can make a great living as a virtual assistant. You'll need to have excellent communication and organizational skills, as well as the ability to multitask. If you have experience using bookkeeping software and are willing to work as a freelancer, many small businesses will pay you to look after their bookkeeping. Often they don't need a full-time bookkeeper, but instead just someone to check their figures and make sure they're accurate. This is a great way to earn some extra money, and it's also a great way to learn more about how businesses operate. Tutoring could be another great way to make money from home while you help others. If you're skilled in math, English, or any other subject that people need to learn, you can be a tutor. Online tutoring services can be offered through Zoom or other video conferencing software, or you could also visit a student's home and tutor them there. There are many different types of tutoring, and it's an excellent way to earn an income. Many people think that teaching music is a difficult job, but it's actually one of the most rewarding vocations that you can pursue. If you have solid music background and are proficient in a number of instruments, teaching music can be a great way to make money. In fact, many music teachers make over $50,000 per year. And with technology bridging the gap between you and your customers, you can reach potential customers all over the world without leaving your home and instruct people how to play an instrument easily through the internet. Graphic designers are in high demand these days, with businesses looking for unique and creative images to represent their brand. Whether you're a business owner who needs help creating a fresh look for your website, or you need help crafting a logo for your business, a graphic designer can be a valuable asset. Graphic designers have many opportunities in the work from home industry. Graphic designers create graphics, logos, and other visual designs for businesses, websites, and other projects. With the right skills, graphic design can be a great work from home job. There are many online graphic design resources to help you get started. If you have a good layout and design skills, A little creativity and access to a computer, you can be a successful graphic designer. Again, this is another skill that you can offer on Fiverr. In conclusion, there are many different ways to make money working from home. These are just a few examples to get you started. If you're looking for more ideas, be sure to check out the playlists on this channel. And remember, the best way to find work from home or side hustle is to keep looking until you find something that fits your interest. So don't give up, and good luck. If you enjoyed today's content and have not already subscribed, do it now so you don't miss our next video. And if you give this video a like, that's always appreciated. Thank you for watching.